Do you want to know how to use the verb to be for the future? ئەیەتوێت بزانیت چۆن کردار یان کاری to be بەکارهێنیت بۆ داهاتوو. The good news is that this part of English grammar is very simple. هەواڵێکی خۆشە ئەوەیە کە ئەم بەشەی ڕێزمانی زمانی ئینگلیزی زۆر سادەیە. So, با دەست پێ بکەین. Let's get started. Remember that the English verb to be is like the Kurdish verb bun. To be is used to talk about existence. Bun, identity, nasnama, and characteristics. Sifat. It's the most important verb in English because we use it more than any other verb. In previous videos, we talked about using to be in the simple present. For example, I am or he is. And we learned about the simple past. For example, I was or you were. So, how do we use the simple future tense? In the English language, we use the simple future tense to talk about future actions, plans, or predictions. بۆ باسکردن دەربارەی کرداری داهاتوو یان بۆ پلاندان یان بۆ پێشبینی کردن. The beautiful thing about the simple future tense is that the verb can stay in the same form as it is in the infinitive. Just be. The یەکشەوەی داهاتووی سادەدا کرداری to be جیاواز نییە لە چاوێکەکەی هەر بیە. The only thing that changes is that we put another word in front of it to show that we are talking about the future. This word is the word will. We use will be to talk about future actions, plans, and predictions. Here's how it works. For I, you, he, she, it, we, you plural, or they, we just use will be. Spaspochwa for this form of to be in the future tense. It doesn't change at all according to the person. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, I will be a doctor in the future. Number 2, he will be at the Dukan tonight. Number 3, will you be at the political meeting? Number 4, we will be busy next week. And number 5, they will be here late because of picnic traffic. Now let's learn about the other way that you can make the simple future tense. Instead of using will be, you can use going to be. We use this form especially when we have planned actions or when something is going to happen very soon. Bagishti, going to be بەکارهێنین بۆ پلاندان یان کاتێک شتێک زوو یێتەدی. Pay attention to the structure, which is simple present be plus going to be. Here are the same examples, but using going to be instead of will be. Number 1, I am going to be a doctor in the future. Number 2, he is going to be at the Dukan tonight. Number 3, are you going to be at the political meeting? Number 4, we are going to be busy next week. And number 5, they are going to be late because of picnic traffic. It's important to know that both will be and going to be sentences are ways to use the simple future tense. Remember, when we use will be, the verb doesn't change based on the person or subject. But when we use going to be, there must be another be verb in front of that phrase, and that first be verb does change according to the person using the rules of the simple present tense. Let's practice these forms some more by using a simple present sentence and changing it into simple future. We will use this sentence, I am an English student. Can you change it to the simple future using will be? Good. I will be an English student. Now, can you change it to the simple future using going to be? Good. I am going to be an English student. Hamagian, I hope this video was helpful for you in learning about the simple future tense. Hiwadaram video abasud bubet boto bo fedbuni dahatui sada la rezmani zmani Inglizi. Agar zahmed nabet, like و subscribe bika bo chanala. Chawi mini hamagian. Until tomorrow, hata sivene. Khwa hafiz.